Hello then, today we are going to show you how to make a perfect thumbnail that can gain you more views on your YouTube channel. So first, go to Play Store or App Store and then type in the best app that I use to edit my thumbnail, that is Special App. So just type it in. After doing that, click on open. Now click on this three dots up here. Now click on image size and choose YouTube thumbnail because you're making YouTube thumbnail, right? After doing that, you can see they have so many features here that you can use to create the background of your thumbnail. So now let's go to the colors, and then you can see they have this whole kind of bunch of colors that you can use to create a background, and you also have mixture of colors. I usually use red color to decorate my background, so let's choose red color. So after doing this, you have to add a picture to our thumbnail. So you click on this plus icon top here and then click on from gallery. So now scroll down, click on gallery. So now choose the picture you prefer. Okay, let me choose this picture. Let's put it here. After doing that, let's decorate our picture a little bit. So let's go to stroke and then enable this. They have so many features here. If you want it to become red, white, black, and then let's decorate it a little bit. After doing that, click on this top that you can see that in there, and click on lock. If you click on it, you can move the picture again. And if you want to undo it, click back and then click on the lock, and then you can move the picture now. So let's add some text to our thumbnail. So click on this A icon, click on this edit, and then type what you want to put it on your thumbnail. If you have any questions, please leave at the comment section below. I'll be proud to read your comments. So when you are done, let's click on the size and make it look good. You can choose it to be italic and choose how you want the words to be. So now let's put it here and then let's add a couple of text. So when you are done, you have to add a background of the text if you want to. If you don't want to, that's your choice. When you are done adding a background, click on this correct icon and then do the same thing to the next text. And you can make a perfect thumbnail using this app. So all you just need to do is take time, sit down and plan what you want to make. This app is the perfect app for making a YouTube thumbnail and a channel banner, even a Facebook profile picture. So go and download this app and it's going to help you. This is why I did not put anything under the down right corner, is because if you just put a text there, you can see YouTube have this black and white icon here, these things. So if you put a text there, it's definitely going to block that text and no one is going to see what you put out there. Guys, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch these next 2 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.